hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is what we see here. And again, it's a cartilage. So there are chondrocytes, and the chondrocytes live in small spaces called lacunae. And here's a nice lacuna with its chondrocyte inside. There's another over here. Here's one over here. We've seen these before in elastic cartilage and in fibrocartilage. I'll come up a little bit closer on here, and you'll probably be able to guess what the difference is, what distinguishing feature this has compared to elastic cartilage and fibrocartilage. So yes, the chondrocytes are widely spaced, but you don't see any obvious fibers in here. You might, if you use your imaginoscope, maybe imagine some very fine collagen fibers, which are there, but they're much less prominent than the collagen fibers in fibrocartilage or the elastic fibers in elastic cartilage. So hyaline cartilage has this nice, smooth, glassy appearance. And I'll move us again. Here we are at the highest magnification, but I'm going to back us up so you can see again the context of this cartilage. This cartilage is is stiffer, and one characteristic place you will find it is in the trachea. So you can see up in our little thumbnail sketch that this is in fact a trachea, and the rings slide past each other. But let me move you up a little bit so you can see the cells that are lining the lumen in this cartilage. Whoa, there's our hyaline cartilage. And oh, look, our old friend, pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. And then to keep an airway open, we have this nice stiff hyaline cartilage. Fibrocartilage gives a little, works more like packing material, so it forms pads between bones. Elastic cartilage is springs back to where it was before, so it gives you that elasticity that you have in your ear. Hyaline cartilage is stiffer, holds its shape, keeps your trachea open so that air can pass easily down from your nose and mouth into your lungs and vice versa. Another thing to point out here that I didn't point out in the other two cartilages is this tissue right around it. So here's your cartilage, and just outside it, there is some tissue around it. That tissue is called perichondrium. So peri, around, chondrium, cartilage. So the tissue that surrounds a cartilage is called perichondrium.